This is a Llyn Idwal Sharpening stone from Wales in the UK. This stone is 9 1/16 of an inch long by 1 27/32 of an inch wide by 15/16 of an inch thick. It is lapped and chamfered on both sides. And there was a wider roll put here to get that out of the honing plane. Sorry about the focus. These are quite fine stones, suitable for final finishing on things like plane blades or knives. Excuse me. Chisels. I've shaved off a bunch of these, and by and large, they shave fine as well. So they're pretty versatile in the very fine department. You can dress the surface accordingly and get the effect you desire as far as the performance of one of these. Anyway, nice big bench stone. Llyn Idwal from Wales.